Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we have here the Tank S1 smartwatch. It is the latest smartwatch from the Kospet Tank series. And as you can see here, it has a premium body build. Okay, so it looks beautiful and seems like the smartwatch is intended for those who are looking for a smaller version of the Tank T2 smartwatch. Okay, so seems like it is geared for women or those who have a much smaller wrist. But when it comes to the material and features, still it is a Tank series. It is smarter, prettier, and stronger, of course. Okay, we have here the screen display here. It is a Gorilla Glass and with one of the highest rating possible when it comes to durability. So we are going to check on the menus and features of the smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the Kospet Tank S1, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, I guess we are ready now. So let's check the menus and features of the Kospet Tank S1. Okay, so as you can see here, it has a premium body build. So we have the power button, the back button. Okay, so these are the buttons for navigation, and we have here a dedicated sport button. Okay, so it looks premium here, beautiful screen display. Okay, let's swipe from top to bottom. So we have here the quick settings. We have the brightness display. Okay, how about this one? Okay, so this is the main menu here. Okay, on the other side we have the shortcut access to its main features. Okay, so we also have a blood pressure here, not just blood oxygen. Okay, we have weather, and you can add additional components on the bottom part. So let's see, back, how do you operate this one? Power. Okay, so notifications. Okay, on the main menu we have a Bluetooth call here. So we have a call, workout, daily activities, female health, also have a heart rate, sleep monitoring. We also have the blood oxygen function, blood pressure. We also have a breathing exercise, respiratory rate, message, music, weather, voice assistant. We also have an alarm. Okay, weather again, voice assistant, alarm. We have a stopwatch, timer, calculator, remote camera control, find phone, SOS, and settings. So we have watch faces. We also have support for always on display. We have theme, language, date, and time. So you can set it to 24 or 12-hour format time, I think. Okay. We have display duration. Okay, let's make it 15. Okay, we have sound settings, vibration strength. We have raise to wake, do not disturb mode. We also have a low power mode. Okay, I guess this is when you want to save battery life. We also have a sports recognition. How many sports do? So when it is on, the watch enables recognition and reminder of 5 sports. Wow, that's good. We have walking, running, cycling, elliptical, and rower. Download app. So what's this one? Okay, for the QR code or the Kospet Fit, we have reset, reboot, and power off. Okay, so let's check the sports function. Okay, no need to go. Okay, for example, if you are here on the home button and you want to access the sports, just press this one. Okay, so we have outdoor running, cycling, swimming, badminton, you have tennis, mountaineering, walking, basketball, football, baseball, volleyball, cricket, rugby, hockey, spinning, okay, or maybe this is cycling, okay, yoga, sit-ups, treadmill, we have boating, jumping jack, free training. So again, how many sports do we have? We have at least 70 sports modes with at least 5 smart recognition. Okay, again, let's check more. Okay, very comprehensive list of sports function, as you can see here, from indoor to outdoor sports mode. We also have a VO2 max test. Okay, so if you love doing some workouts, this smartwatch do have tons, okay, at least 70 sports function loaded to it. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, again, and so far very smooth operation of the menus here. Okay, so no lag at all. Let's check out the heart rate here, so the UI, so it can, please stay still and wear the watch with it attached to your screen. So it's a real, okay, heart rate monitoring function. It is able to detect whether you are using your smartwatch or not. Okay, so let's just check. Okay, so it's now checking. Oops. Okay, it's now checking. We'll see the highs and lows of our heart rate here. So we have 71. Okay, so I guess it is set to continuous monitoring. Okay, so it is a nice UI here, and it can detect whether you are using your smartwatch or not. It is not just a random heart rate monitoring. We also have a music control, and with the, as you can see here, you can adjust the volume. We also have a voice assistant, but you need to connect it with a support app to be able to use the sports or the AI, okay, voice assistant. We also have a calculator, okay, very useful function on the on display. Okay, watch faces. So how many watch faces do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it is loaded with several watch faces here. Okay, analog type watch faces with a digital combination. Power. Go back. Okay, so far we do have a, okay, beautiful smartwatch here, the Kospet Tank S1. Okay, for those women who love to have the Tank T2 smartwatch, but seems like they have a much smaller wrist and want a much lighter wearable or outdoor smartwatch with the same durability features. As you can see here, it is military grade, drop tested, with a Gorilla Glass screen, certified IP69K and 580M plus. Okay, let me show it to you. So it has at least 12 military grade test here. I guess this is a recommended smartwatch for you. Okay, we just don't know about the accuracy of its sensor. Okay, we'll try on our, okay, upcoming videos about the Tank S1 smartwatch. So we are going to try and test it, okay, including the health function for this smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, okay, it is our first look on the menus and features of the Tank S1. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, this is the first comprehensive video review of this smartwatch on the web. Okay, just drop a comment below if you have any questions. Bye.